Need to fix YouTube not working error, then you're on the right video. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started. So the very first thing you want to do is head over to your application app store. In the address bar, search for YouTube app. Move into this app. Right here you can see the option of update. Simply click on update and update the app to the latest version. Most of the time, updating the app has also fixed the issue, so you might be also good to go. After that, move into settings. Inside settings, head over to general. Move into iPhone storage. In this page, search for the application YouTube and then move into it. Click on offload app and once again tap on offload app. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. Once done, try checking whether you are connected to stable internet connection or not. You have to make sure that the Wi-Fi is working properly. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.